What was the old cabin destined for the knacker's yard has now been reborn as an incredible one-off garden retreat.
That is absolutely brilliant. You know what, genuinely, when you walk onto an aeroplane, even if you go into a fairly big plane, the first thing I think is it feels a lot smaller because there's so many partitions and storage, and the cockpit's obviously divided off from the rest of the space where you've walked on. Yeah. But this actually feels really big because you've stripped all of that stuff out, haven't you?
Everything. I wanted it to feel like an aeroplane still, but when you're in it, I wanted it also to feel like a summer house, and then just do some really trick stuff inside it that will make people just go, wow.
The cabin windows are complete with their original blinds, and everywhere you look, leftover details of the aircraft have been put to good use.
That was the original sink in the toilet, and because it's just a nice piece, I wanted to try and do something with it. So I've turned it into this sort of ice bucket.
And you've kept some of the furniture?
That was part of the undercarriage leg off this, that when I cut it in half, I thought that's too nice a piece to throw away. So I thought, I'll turn it into a lamp. So I did.
As you do.
Why not?
I love that. You know, I'll just turn that into a lamp. It'll be fine.
But it's in the old flight deck, where Vince wanted somewhere to enjoy a cocktail, that Stu's craftsmanship really comes into its own. With a custom-designed drinks table built around the original throttle controls.
So the Perspex is new?
This is glass.
Glass?
This is toughened glass. This took me 3 goes at trying to get the shape, the contour, and everything so that all these throttles all move. I managed to get it to do the lights.
You've got it to do the lights?
Yeah.
How does it do that?
With the number 1 throttle, when you press that down and move it, all the emergency lights come on.
Happy days. It had to do something.
Yeah, I know. It's too good.
You can't have all of that and not have it do something.
It's a focal piece.
I've literally got to have a little moment where I just kind of check myself and go, I am sitting in an aeroplane cockpit in your back garden that's been sliced in half horizontally and turned into a summer house.
It hasn't sunk in with me yet, I don't think. It's still surreal that, you know, something that was flying so high, so far, so long for so many years is now an enjoyable space for the family.